Hey there, house cleaning business owners. It's Justin here. Hey, I've been talking to a lot of people in this space, that own house cleaning businesses, and it's really interesting to me the different perspectives on advertising. And, so many of people are afraid, and I get it, like to advertise or spend money, so they're out there, doing everything they can with, posts on social media or, getting referrals and stuff, which is totally cool. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, running a great business to get those referrals. But there's a huge difference that can happen in your business when you actually figure out how to be able to advertise, because good God, guys, there are so many people out there looking for your service. I mean, we're running ads for people across the country, and it is just mind-boggling how many leads can come in. We got one client that gets 1,000 leads a month, from running ads on Google, and he's making money off it. So really, it's right there and it's accessible for you. And it really is just a matter of figuring out a couple things. And it's really how to sell, and how to actually address those leads and make sure that you're on top of it, speed the lead, answer the phone, respond. It can be hard if you're out there cleaning and stuff, right? I get it. So there's this shift where if you decide, I'm going to be a darn business owner now, I'm not going to be out cleaning, I want to scale this thing, I want to grow this thing, I want to make good money and, maybe be able to go on a vacation and that kind of thing. You can make this mind shift. You can be out of cleaning in probably 2 months max. If you've got a nice little ad budget, you can do that, right? No matter what size your business is, really, you do have to have a little money. It's not free. But you start getting those leads and you start landing those leads and you start closing those sales, and all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, I can actually grow this business, like crazy if I want. And you're probably in your mind going, but my cleaners, things are going to go crazy. Oh, but my processes and stuff. It's really not that hard to fix those, right? Number one, if you want to grow, advertising, figuring it out. Number two, making sure you close those sales. There's a bunch of little tricks to that. But I just want to encourage you to understand that you can do it. It's totally doable. It's not rocket science. You can commit to running ads and figuring it out and be able to grow your business basically as big as you want, depending on the size of your city and all that stuff. So, I just wanted to share that, and help, encourage some of you guys who are on the fence or scared to do it, that it's possible to advertise and grow your business like crazy if you're committed. All right, cool. Talk soon. Bye.